Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you never miss another video again. Someone subscribed to me again. I have 56 subscribers. Yay me! So I took one mat off the purple one. There's two more. So I need 3 more subscribers, and then I can do it on the floor. 1, 2, and then 3 is the floor. And I'm also getting a shout out to Sarah. And comment down below and leave your name if you also want a shout out too in the next video. So, congratulate Sarah! Yay! Alright, I'm going to do it now. There you go, Cappuccino. Yes, Cappuccino. He's my little cat. Sorry if you guys can't see that. It's just the light. No, just the light. Look. First, I'm just going to get down into my bridge like this. And then kick over. You guys see? Let me redo that because you guys can't really see. Let me fix it. Alright. Oh, Cappuccino, don't go behind it. Alright, you ready? So first I'm going to start on this floor and then stand up and go down. Did it again. Now I'm gonna stand up, go down into a ridge, and kick over now. So, sorry guys. Wait, back up. He goes ready for that. Oh my gosh, that felt so good. I felt so many cracks in my back, and that felt actually really good. I already stand. Let me try that again. But when I went down into it, I heard so many cracks in my back, and that felt so good for some reason. Like if you guys heard it, but I don't think you guys heard it. It was loud, but not too loud. I don't think you guys heard it though. All right, ready? Ooh. A lot of energy though. So I'm just already came down into my bridge and now kick over. But now I can do it. And so I need 3 more subscribers and then I'm gonna do it on the floor. I'm scared because I can only do it on the floor. It doesn't help. But it has to be flat. So bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.